Hi guys, in today's video I will be showing you how you can automate WhatsApp by using Python's Selenium library. So the first step will be to install the Selenium library. So for doing that, you will go to your console and write pip install Selenium. I've already installed this library, so it's gonna show me requirements already satisfied, like here. But if you have not installed it already, it will install for you. Okay, so we will import the webdriver function from the Selenium library. So from Selenium webdriver. So as you saw in the beginning of this video, we showed some things that were necessary for doing this automation, and one of them was the driver for the web you are using. So I'm using Chrome, so I'm going to be using the Chrome driver. The links of downloading the different drivers are in the description box, so you can just check them there. So now I'm going to be creating a variable called driver. In this variable, I will be storing the path of my driver on my computer. I have already copy-pasted it here, so I'm just gonna copy-paste from there. As you can see that I have not used any exe or anything. It's just my username where it's stored, and Chrome driver is the name of it, and I have not written exe. You don't need to write that either. Okay, so now I am going to be giving the link of our WhatsApp web. So we are going to be using the WhatsApp that is available on the website and not the app. So driver.get, and now we are going to be giving the path of WhatsApp, and I have also copy pasted it so it will be easier. So here is the path of the WhatsApp web, and now we have all the links that we need. Now what we're going to do is we are going to be creating a function called message. In that function, we will be storing the name of the person we want to send the message to and what the message should be. So let's do that. Define message name equals to enter the group / username. You can send this message in a group, in a WhatsApp group, or to an individual user. And now we are going to be creating a variable called message, and in this I will be storing my message that I want to send. So my message will be message sent using Python. So now we have made our name and message. We are going to now that we have made our name and message, we are going to open WhatsApp, and then I will tell you what we will do. So now we have opened WhatsApp. What we are going to do now is we are going to right click and click on inspect, and then this kind of window will open, and you can see wherever I put my cursor, it is scanning those areas. So what we're going to do is we're going to click here on this button, and then we are going to click on the person's name we want to send this message to, or just any title of anything. And now I'm just going to click, and as you can see, it is stored under span title. And now we will go back to our code, and I will tell you what this is needed for. So as you saw what we did on WhatsApp, we saw where the path of the person's name is. So now we are going to be writing try, and then we're going to be creating a variable called user, and we are going to be using one of Selenium's a function, which is find element by xpath, and in the xpath we are going to be giving the path of the person's name, and as we saw it was stored under span, under title, and in the curly braces like this. And now we will be closing our box, and we will write dot format and name. And now we are writing user.click. What this user.click does is that it clicks on the function, so we don't manually have to go to WhatsApp and click it. So it just clicks for us. Now we are going to write now we are going to call it our function. Now what we are going to do is we are again going to WhatsApp, and I will show you what we will do there. So we are again here on WhatsApp. Again, this is opened by right-clicking and clicking on inspect. So now I will open the person's name, and I will again click on this button right here, and then I will go to the text box where the text box is located, and I'm going to click here. Make sure you click on this and not on this. So let's just click, and you can see it is stored under the class this, so we have to remember this. So let's go back to Python again, and so now we are back to Python again, and now I will be creating a variable called text box. In this I will be creating a variable text box. In this we are again going to use one of the selenium's function called webdriver.Find element by class name. And in this one we are going to be giving the name of our class. Mine was P3M1. So just to be clear, so now we are done. Just to be clear that these are not errors, these are just telling us that variables are assigned but never used. So let's just ignore them. Now we are going to be writing text box dot send keys is another function of Selenium. And now we are going to write driver again, driver.Find element by class name. Now we are going to be going to WhatsApp again, and I will tell you what we will do there. So we are back in WhatsApp. What we are going to do is, we can see the send button is not here, so we will just type a random message and the send button appears. We are again going to click here and go to the send button and click on this right here. We can see it is stored under the class of this, so let's just remember this, and we will. So as you saw, we just remembered our class name, and that was mine was 4SWNG and .click again, so it clicks. So now I think we are done, and we will just call our code. So now we just called our function message, and it is ready to run. Let me just check it one last time, and I will tell you what I have fixed if there are any errors. So I have checked my code, and the changes that I made were, first of all, I saved it and I named it Automate WhatsApp, and then I added this right here. What this does is it will type the message, and then it will write the name of the person we are sending this message to. I just remembered it, like I just remembered to do that, and I forgot to film it, so I'm just telling you. And then what I did was I just fixed some of this code lines and some of the syntax, and this code will be available in the description box. You can check it there. So yeah, that was everything I fixed, and now we are ready to run this. I'm going to be running this program, and as you can see, it is opening WhatsApp, and it is also asking us enter group or username. So let's see the WhatsApp it has opened for us. So as you can see, it has opened WhatsApp, and it wants me to scan this code on my phone that I just did, and it opened WhatsApp. Now we will go back to Python and see and we write the name of the person we want to send a message to. So now I am back to Python, and I want to send this message to my mom, so I will write that. And when I will run this, it is going to open my mom's WhatsApp, and it is going to type this message here with the name that I've saved, and then it is going to be sending that message. So let's run this and see what happens. So as you can see, the code works fine, and it has sent the message for me, and thank you for watching.